grandmother. We're at the beach, guys. Oh, I don't like how I'm filming in public. That's kind of scary. Yeah, we're at the beach. Here's my mother. Mother, say hi.
No.
Okay, rude. You're rude. Let's see if I can spot her. Go, run down. Should we make a sandcastle? I'm gonna check my shoes out and I'm gonna record it. Yeah. I'm gonna make a vlog. I'm making mine over here. I'm recording it. Oh, I don't want to get sat on my ass. Let's make a sandcastle, guys. Do you got your phone?
No.
Oh, I was gonna say, can I use your phone and record me making a sandcastle?
I'm making my bed.
Because I'm kind of low on storage. Yeah.
Like last time.
When your parents can still hear.
The sand's cold.
My parents are waiting. She's not even my parents.
Yeah, better not, but don't you wreck that switch. By gee.
Oh shit, that's right. Oh wait, I only got a bra and stuff.
Don't do that.
No one can see. Okay, I'm stopping recording because I don't want to get stuff on my ass. Shut up. We're done. Just finish. No. In the park. Oh, the beach. We're going to the park next. I don't know which one. But yeah. Say goodbye to the views. We'll be back sometime shortly. My shoes are so sandy, bro. Like, what the? Big kid, guys. Big kid. We're at this little park in Foxton. Yeah. I'm going down these stairs. There's like a little view thing. There's my mother in the thing, swinging. Here's a first thing. There's my sister up there, filming a TikTok or something. Don't know what the hell she's doing. Yeah, go to the ship over there.
I wanna go with the bed.